I'm Saifullah son of Ullah Khan and I'm from Afghanistan. I live in Host Gurbat district. And
Okay.
also I'm very happy from US.
Yeah, that's great. Nice to hear from your side because in Afghanistan the people are very great because they are just continuing their studies, education. So that's why they are absolutely stunning. I'm glad by you. So keep you moving forward, okay?
Okay, I'm very pleased for this moment that I joined this course.
I'm not hearing your voice is cutting. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I'm glad because practice makes a man perfect, okay? Always remember when you're practicing, when you're continuously speaking, your English will be fluent and you'll get the speed. Your pronunciation will also increase by this way. So this is the best way. If you want to improve your English, make a lot of practice. Practice makes a man perfect, okay? Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is the good software. It has almost 35 minute conversation duration. So it's internationally used everywhere. People understand and know it. But most of the people, they have no idea how to operate it because it's a little bit new for them, yeah? Sure, sure, sure. But you know that there's a specific time. Hardly I just get a time for you guys because today I spare my time for you people. I wanted to talk with you. Yesterday I was talking with my American students. I was teaching them. They had a great conversation, but they were advanced students because their conversation was good, although they had a great conversation in English communication. But due to the knowledge point of view, they were asking some guideline from me. So I was telling them about what to do, what not to do, about their future, about the psychic energy, about all those things which I tell them it was a secret because most of the guys, they don't know about this hidden knowledge, and that hidden knowledge helped them a lot. Is there another guy who joined the meeting but not communicating? Who's he? Okay, sure, as you wish, as you like. Can you hear me, Niza? Mr. Niza, he left. Yeah, I can hear you. Here was another guy who joined us and suddenly he left the meeting. I asked him that, who are you? I think he was a little bit shy. That's why. They have to participate. They have to say something. They have to speak a little because little things makes things better. Inshallah, inshallah. But the thing is this, that your connection has a little problem because when you have the communication with me several times that it's having distortion, distortion, a little noise. When a noise comes in between our communication, so great problem. So I cannot hear properly sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes it happens because there's a little problem in net connectivity. Isn't it? That's good, perfect. And why do you want to improve your English? Wow, that's great. That's fine. Absolutely stunning. So if you want to improve your English, you have a lot of things to do, like you have to practice a lot. Practice makes a man perfect. Always remember, practice makes a person perfect, not man perfect, because it's for female as well. Male and female both can practice, and it will give them solidarity and learning. Another guy joined us, Mr. Shah Khalid. How are you? How are you, brother? Welcome into this group, into the chat. Can you hear me? Okay, Wanky, did you mention about Tanzania? Is it a beautiful place? Tell me about Tanzania. What's there? Okay, got it. Is there a democracy? Who's the ruler? Okay, that's fine. That's perfect. How old are you? Okay. What do you do in your free time? And what do you like in meal? What is your favorite meal? Okay. Good. Carry on. And what do you like in beverages? Beverages. Beverages means something to drink. For example, I like to drink the apple juice. Yeah. That's perfect. I'm glad. It's a nice interaction with you. In language class, I want to tell you what I will try to teach. I would like to elaborate about some sort of the questions about what means. What can I call you? What can you call me? What do you do? What does your father do? What does your mother do? What do you want to become in your future? What do you like in beverages? What do you like in meat? What is democracy? What is life? What are you doing? So these maximum questions I'll ask about 5W questions. I'll teach you the 5W questions. These W questions are very important for all of us. Because, for example, these are introductory questions. It's a warm-up questions. These questions help us too much. And once we have the communication with someone regarding this, so it might be very extraordinary. So for this purpose, I'm saying to you, so what, where, when, why, is, am, or, was, were, has, would, could, should, all these questions will help us too much. So therefore, I'm asking the general questions from the people. Is there another guy? Radha, can you hear me? Yeah, unmute yourself. Unmute. Those guys who are muted, they have to make themselves unmute. Once you will unmute yourself, so I can hear you, otherwise I will not be able to listen to you. There's some else language. Talk in English. Talk in English. Talk in English. Wenky, are you there? Yeah, I was waiting for other guys to speak, but they are not having a communication. That's why I decided to talk with you, because we are here to communicate. And I'll try to launch a course for you guys, and that will be a spoken English course. But if you are willing, and if you're interested, then it might help you a lot. Because we are here for learning. We are here not for joke. We are here for learning. So those guys who are interested, those guys who want to speak something, those guys who wants to learn something, they have to speak with me, okay? I'm here for you guys. I'm happy, Wenky, that you are participating. Participation is so necessary, so important. Without participation, no one can learn something. Yeah, here we go. I'm in front of you guys. So, thing is this, I'm here for you people. So I need your participation. I need your conversation. Now I have a question. I have a question from all of you. What is life? What do you think? What is life? What is the answer of this question? Yeah, what is life? Define. Okay, I want to tell you. I want to tell you. Life is a combination of body and soul. The combination of body and the combination of soul is known as life. We want body, we want soul. Without body, life is impossible. Without soul, life is impossible. For life, we need body and soul, both. Now there are some else things in life. Hassan, there's a lot of noise. Hassan, I mentioned to you, those guys are most welcome, that who are genuine and who are serious. If you're not serious, then I will simply delete you from here. We are here for learning. We are not here for disturbance. So when you're sitting in a proper place, then talk with me. If you're driving the car, if you're talking with someone, then don't join. Only join when you have something to speak. Yeah, Wenky, once again connecting with you. I mentioned about life. Life has some ups and downs. Life is a chain variation. Life teaches us a lot. In life, we learn what to do, what not to do. In life, there are two things: good things and good deeds, bad things and bad deeds. It depends on us how we utilize our life. If we are utilizing our life according to the principle of society, our life will be useful. And if you are going against so our life will be a curse. So life is beautiful, but at the same level, life is also a curse. Curse for those people who have nothing in their lives. Beautiful for those people who have a lot of things in their lives. Yeah, there's some rewarded people, some unrewarded people. Rewarded people are those who are lucky. They have everything. Unrewarded people are those who have nothing in their lives. Am I right? Okay, so I was telling you about life. Now you ask some questions. I will answer you. Yeah, about life, about anything. Okay, I asked something from you, okay? Let me ask something from you. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Kindness makes me happy. Now you understand? What makes you upset or sad? Which thing make you sad? I want to tell you, normally corruption makes us sad, bad people, bad company makes us sad, war makes us sad, uncertainty makes us sad, disloyalty makes us sad, bad people makes us sad, bad society makes us sad. So these are the things which make you sad. Some things makes me happy, makes us happy, some things makes us sad. So it depends on the situation. There are certain rules and regulations to take the class, but unfortunately the world is not following it. Yeah. I'm happy from your conversation. I'm delighted from your conversation because you're participating and you belong from a good country and you have the good education, you have good manners and you have good attitudes. I appreciate it. I appreciate your kind of people, yeah, who are willing, who are learning, and who are kind, and who are serious. And you're serious to your career. You're serious with your study. You're serious with your life. You have something certain in your mind. You want to move towards your target. That's good. It was a nice conversation with you. Almost the time is over because it was a half an hour session. May God bless you. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.